all participants present here together today, both physically and virtually. Please, for the want of time, permit me to stand on the already established protocol. I'm pleased to welcome the President and Chairman of Council of our great institute, the distinguished guests of honor, invited guests, facilitators, and delegates to the 11th CITN ZONAL Task Conference being hosted by the Southwest Zonal Districts of the Joint District Society. This conference, as obtainable with similar events, provides a platform for the Institute to examine and contribute to fiscal initiatives, tax administration reforms, sustained tax sensitization, and enlightenment as avenues to foster a better tax system and economy of our dear country. Furthermore, the Institute accords significant attention to members' capacity development, which could be achieved through the organization of conferences such as these, where topical issues of interest are discussed and expounded. The theme of this year's conference, which is Presumptive Tax Regime and ICT in Optimizing Revenue Generation, is apt and recognizes the increasing digitization of economic activities, the role of technology, and the present efforts by government and revenue authorities at all levels to widen the tax net for increased tax compliance and optimal revenue mobilization. As a committee, district chairmen in Southwest region have over the last few months devoted efforts towards delivering a conference that will not just be a usual gathering of tax professionals, but one that will address diverse and trending issues in taxation in Nigeria and other jurisdictions. As delegates will have seen from the program of events, you will agree with me that we have interesting topics for discussion that will appeal to delegates, both physical and virtual, in many ways. We are also delighted with the caliber of our facilitators who will be sharing their experience with us during these conference sessions. We will count on your active participation at the various sessions towards our individual and collective benefits. Our gala night, which shall be the climax of activities for the conference, will surely be a night to remember for delegates. I will leave the fine details of what we have put together until the day of the event, which is tomorrow evening. I want to assure delegates that we have made adequate arrangements for a successful event and want to solicit for your cooperation and understanding as proceedings commence. May I add that we have ample opportunity to network during tea break, lunchtime, and at this gala night event. We shall ensure that recommendations at the conference are succinctly articulated in the communique that will be circulated at the end of the conference to stakeholders in the Nigerian tax system for the purpose of utilizing same to improve our tax system and economy. Good work being done by our rapporteurs that are sitting to my right. Appreciation to them as well. Without prejudice to the appreciation that will be done later, I will round up my welcome address by appreciating all the district chairmen, members of the organizing committee, and JDS members for your contributions to the organization of this conference. If the district chairman and the members are around, please permit me to call them or to stand up for recognition, please. All the district chairman, the Southwest district chairman, and the members organizing committee. Can we give them a round of applause, please? I would like to give special thanks. Thank you very much. You can sit down. I would like to give special thanks for ensuring the success of this conference to the following organizations. Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, they were wonderful. Please can we give them a round of applause. First Bank of Nigeria donated handsomely to the successful coordination of this event. Also Nigerite Limited, Vertiva Capital Limited, SIO, and lastly, who is the only individual on this list who happened to be the chairman of this first session in person of Chief Oladele Akinyele. Oladele Akinyele, sorry, because I'm too excited. Because I called on him at the last minute and he heeded to our request in helping us ensure the success of this conference. The President, Chairman of Council of a Great Institute, guests of honor, distinguished invited guests, esteemed facilitators, professional colleagues, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I welcome you and look forward to a most rewarding session. Thank you for your audience.